Hello, hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Okay, tonight we are looking at impulse. It falls under momentum. And before we proceed further, I would urge you to subscribe. Good people, don't forget that. Okay, what is impulse? Impulse comes into meaning when a force acts for a given period of time. So when a net force acts on the body for a particular period of time, that's when the impulse comes in. So it's a physical quantity which is defined as the product of net force acting on the body and the time the net force is acting on the body. So that is that. So we can easily put it like net force times delta t. Yes, this expression is for impulse that one put forward. Now we have to remember, if you recall this equation, F net is equal to delta P over delta T. If you realign this one, you are going to get F net delta T which is equal to delta P. But you have to recall that we said this one is impulse, which is the product of net force and delta T. So which means that what we have here is impulse and what we have here is impulse. So we can easily say that impulse is equal to product of net force and time, which is also equal to delta P. So during our calculations, every time the question comes about impulse, you have two choices. You can say impulse is equal to F net delta T, or you can say impulse is equal to delta P, and we choose the equation in accordance to the data given. Then we come to this one, state impulse momentum theory. Okay, here we have to recall that from our expression which we already used, which says that F net is equal to delta P over delta T, if you realign this one, its linear form, which is F net delta T, which is equal to delta P, this linear form of that expression is what we call impulse momentum theory. Okay. And how do we state it? The impulse momentum theory states that that the change in momentum of an object is equal to impulse applied on the body. Let me repeat. The change in momentum of an object is equal to the impulse applied on the object. Let's put that one down. So that is it. It states that the change in momentum of an object is equal to the impulse applied on the object. And with that, we are going to cut this video here. Our next video will be on the application of the principles discussed here. Impulse. So stay with us. We are simply the best. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And please make sure that if you have a friend, he knows about this channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.